Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Have you always asked yourself some questions about mental health and yet you haven't gotten answer to it? In today's video, I am going to discuss some frequently asked questions. Hello and welcome, I am Priscilla and let's get started. If your beliefs, thoughts, feelings or behaviors have a significant impact on your ability to function in what might be considered a normal or ordinary way, it will be important to seek help. This may depend on your relationship with them. Gently encouraging someone to seek appropriate support will be helpful to start with. Some people may advise you on good evidence of what works with the best of intentions, but it is important to find out what works best for you. We can all suffer from mental health challenges, but developing our well-being, resilience, and seeking help early can help prevent challenges becoming serious. The most important thing is to talk to someone you trust. This might be a friend, colleague, family member, or GP. In addition to talking to someone, it may be useful to find out more information about what you are experiencing. Mental health is worthy of powerful and positive conversations. Most of our media nowadays is focused on negativity in the world and gossip. Why not sprinkle a bit of hope into the mix? Why not change the language of mental health to become a normal topic of discussion? We need to start chatting about how we can bring our world together. We can start the movement. The trending Twitter topics we see on a daily basis hold very little purpose. They promote the destructions of other people's lives. They promote meaningless drama that goes on in the lives of celebrities. Can we stop spreading rumors and sharing insulting opinions about other people? Can we begin generating genuine conversations about topics such as mental health? Thanks for watching this episode. Ensure you subscribe so you won't be a victim to mental health disorders. And also you can share this video to those that will benefit from it. You can drop your comment and your questions in the comment section. Bye. See you in my next video.